Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is DEBASISH and you are listening to Debtalks. In this session, we are going to discuss about natural language processing or NLP. If you are interested in artificial intelligence, then you have to learn about NLP or natural language processing. So let's start this session. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It's a field of artificial intelligence or AI. Natural language processing or NLP is the process of computer analysis of input provided in a human language or natural language and conversion of this input into a useful form of representation. The field of natural language processing or NLP is primarily concerned with getting computers to perform useful and interesting tasks with human languages. The field of natural language processing or NLP is secondarily concerned with helping us come to a better understanding of human language. The input or output of a natural language processing or NLP system can be a written text or speech. So we'll mostly concern with written text, not speech. To process written text, we need lexical, syntactic, semantic knowledge about the language and discourse information, real world knowledge. So to process spoken language, we need everything required to process written text, plus the challenges of speech recognitions and speech synthesis. There are two components of natural language processing or NLP. First one is natural language understanding, and other one is natural language generations. So let's discuss about natural language understanding. Here mapping the given input in the natural language into useful representations. Then a different level of analysis required, like morphological analysis, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, and discourse analysis. Next is natural language generations. So here producing output in the natural language from some internal representations. Different level of synthesis required here. Deep planning, what to say, syntactic generations, natural language understanding is much harder than natural language generations, but still both of them are hard. So the difficulty in natural language understanding arises from some facts like natural language is extremely rich in form and structure and very ambiguous. So how to represent meaning? Which structures map to which meaning structures? One input can mean many different things. Ambiguity can be at different levels, like lexical or word level ambiguity, meaning is the different meanings of words. Syntactic ambiguity, like different ways to parse the sentence. Interpreting partial information, like how to interpret pronouns. And contextual information, like context of a sentence may affect the meaning of that sentence. So many input can mean the same thing. Interaction among components of the input is not clear. So there are some languages related informations are useful in natural language processing or NLPs, like phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, programmatics, discourse, and one knowledge. So let's discuss one by one. So phonology means concerns how words are related to the sounds that realize them. And morphology means concerns how words are constructed from more basic meaning or more basic meaning units called morphemes. A morpheme is the primitive unit of meaning in a language. Next is syntax. Means concerns how can be put together to form correct sentences and determines what structural role each word plays in the sentence and what phrases are subparts of other phrases. So, next is semantics. Here concerns what what mean and how this meaning combine in sentences to form sentence meaning. The study of context independent meaning. Next is programmatics. Programmatics means concerns how sentences are used in different situations and how use affects the interpretations of the sentence. Next is the discourse. So here concerns how the immediately preceding sentences affect the interpretations of that next sentences. For example, interpreting pronouns and interpreting the temporal aspects of the informations. Last one is word knowledge. Like it is includes general knowledge about the world, what each language user must know about the other's beliefs and goals. So that's all about like languages related informations are useful in natural language processing. So that's all about natural language processing and NLP. So I hope this tutorial is very useful for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.